Ever feel like your meals are packed with hidden carbs and sugars, even when you're trying to eat healthy? Trust me, you're not alone. In fact, a 2023 survey found that 60% of Americans are looking to reduce their carb and sugar intake but are still confused about what foods to choose. Crazy, right? Well, if you've ever found yourself wondering, what can I actually eat that has no carbs and no sugar? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 18 amazing foods that are not only delicious but totally carb and sugar-free. Stick around, because at the end, I'm throwing in a bonus tip that'll seriously level up your meal game. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more tips to keep you thriving. So, quick story. A couple of months ago, I had a friend who was struggling to manage her blood sugar. She was constantly tired and found it super hard to stay on track with her diet. But the moment she started incorporating carb and sugar-free foods into her meals, she noticed a huge difference. Better energy, clearer skin, and even weight loss. This got me thinking, what if more people knew about these game-changing foods? By the end of this video, you're going to walk away with a list of 18 foods that are not just healthy, but will also help you cut down on carbs and sugars without feeling deprived. Plus, you'll learn about the biggest mistake people make when going carb-free, so stick around for that bonus tip at the end. Now, let's talk about one of the most versatile and nutritious foods out there, eggs. Low in carbs, zero sugar, and packed with protein. They're like little nutritional powerhouses. The big question is, how many eggs should you eat in a day? Well, studies suggest that up to 3 eggs per day is perfectly healthy for most people. In fact, eggs have been shown to raise HDL, the good cholesterol, while keeping heart health in check. And no, they won't clog your arteries as many old myths suggest. Next up, meat and poultry. Chicken, beef, turkey, they're all naturally carb and sugar-free. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or stewing, you've got endless options. Just remember, processed meats like sausage can sneak in added sugars and carbs, so always check the label. Fish and seafood are next. And they're not just carb-free, they're loaded with omega-3s, which are great for brain and heart health. Salmon, tuna, shrimp, you name it, they're all winners. Quick note here. While these foods are fantastic, if you're upping your seafood intake, make sure you're not overdoing it on mercury-rich fish like swordfish or king mackerel. Moderation is key. Don't forget your leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula are not only low in carbs, but they're packed with fiber and vitamins. A 2019 study even found that people who ate more leafy greens had a 30% lower risk of heart disease. Not bad for a bunch of greens, right? Okay, so we've covered eggs, meat, fish, and greens, but there are still about 14 more amazing foods you need to know about, including a superfood that fights inflammation and boosts your immune system. But before we dive into those, here's that bonus tip I promised you earlier. If you want to supercharge your meals, start cooking with olive oil. It's not just carb and sugar-free. It's packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. Plus, it's been shown to improve cholesterol levels and even reduce the risk of stroke by up to 41% in certain studies. Make sure to drizzle some on your salads or use it to roast veggies for an added health boost. All right, moving on to one of my personal favorites, avocados. Not only are they low in carbs, but they're packed with healthy fats that keep you full and satisfied. In fact, a study from the Journal of Nutrition found that people who added avocado to their meals felt 23% more satisfied compared to those who didn't. So whether you're spreading it on toast or tossing it into a salad, avocados are a powerhouse of nutrition. Next on our list is cheese. Most cheeses are virtually carb-free. Whether it's cheddar, mozzarella, or Gouda, they're rich in calcium and protein. But here's the catch. If you're lactose intolerant, some varieties might cause digestive discomfort, so choose wisely. Next is butter. Who doesn't love butter? Both butter and its clarified cousin, ghee, are pure fats, meaning no carbs at all. Perfect for cooking, they add a rich flavor to any meal. Plus, ghee is loaded with fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Just remember, moderation is key. Up next is coconut oil. This oil is a fantastic carb-free option that's known to boost metabolism. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are quickly absorbed and used as energy. If you're on a low-carb diet, adding coconut oil to your smoothies or stir-fries can give you that extra energy boost. Nuts and seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are perfect low-carb snacks that are also packed with fiber. But heads up, while they're low in carbs, they're also calorie-dense, so don't go too overboard. A small handful is all you need to reap the benefits. If you're looking for a low-carb substitute for grains, cauliflower is your new best friend. Whether it's cauliflower rice, mashed cauliflower, or even pizza crust, this versatile veggie is packed with fiber and essential nutrients. Plus, it's known to help improve digestion. Broccoli is another low-carb superstar that's high in fiber and nutrients. A cup of broccoli has just about 6 grams of carbs, but most of that is fiber, which means it won't spike your blood sugar. Plus, broccoli is loaded with antioxidants and has been shown to support healthy digestion. Next up, mushrooms. These little guys are incredibly low in carbs and perfect for adding to stir-fries, soups, or even as a meat substitute. Mushrooms are a great source of antioxidants, helping your body fight inflammation. Not to mention, they're delicious. Ever heard of zoodles? Zucchini noodles are a fantastic low-carb alternative to pasta. Zucchini is super hydrating, loaded with vitamins, and has less than 4 grams of carbs per cup. It's the perfect base for your favorite sauces without the carb guilt. Next up, pecan nuts. If you're a nut lover, you're in for a treat. Pecans are naturally low in carbs and full of healthy fats, making them the perfect snack when you need a quick energy boost. They're also rich in antioxidants, more than any other nut, believe it or not. But here's a pro tip. Stick to a handful per day, as they can be calorie-dense. Herbs might just be your secret weapon when it comes to flavoring your food without adding carbs or sugar. Whether it's parsley, basil, rosemary, or thyme. Fresh herbs not only brighten up your meals but also pack a nutritional punch. Basil, for example, is rich in vitamin K and helps with inflammation. Herbs are like nature's little nutritional add-ons, totally free of carbs but full of benefits. Remember that bonus tip I mentioned earlier about olive oil? Here's a fun fact. According to a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. So, the next time you're whipping up a meal, don't forget to add a splash of this liquid gold. Here's another bonus tip. Let's talk about eggs again for a second. Did you know that the color of an egg's yolk depends on the hen's diet? That deep golden yolk? It means the hen's been eating lots of leafy greens and insects. So, next time you crack open an egg, you'll know just how nutritious it really is. So there you have it, 18 amazing foods that are completely carb and sugar-free. Whether you're trying to manage your weight, improve your energy levels, or just make healthier food choices, this list has got you covered. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, why not try adding a few of these foods into your daily routine? If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on all the health tips and tricks we've got coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.